So this is what my kitchen is looking like at the moment, though it's not really that dirty, but you know, I have to clean it. Really, I really do need to clean this kitchen. It's not bad, especially here. I'm going to be tackling this gas cooker, and here is my sink. These ones I already washed these ones earlier today, so I'm going to be washing these ones and the ones on the dining table. Yeah. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Didn't you guys miss my cleaning videos? Like, nobody have asked me what happened to the cleaning videos. Are you not cleaning again? Anyway, today I'm here to tackle this kitchen. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen. This kitchen really needs a very thorough cleaning, like a TLC. It needs it. So I'm going to be handling this kitchen today. It's been a very long time. Like, when I say long time, it's been long. I cleaned this kitchen. The only thing I do is to wash dishes, probably like clean the dining table and clean some spots where there is oil or stain. But to like clean it, the whole of the kitchen, to clean it at once, I've not done that in a while now. So today I'm going to be doing that, and I want to carry you guys along with me. I want to give you that motivation. If you have been lazy like me, like you've been procrastinating to clean your kitchen or any other part of your house, today you and we are going to be tackling it today. So as I'm cleaning, you might probably want to clean along with me, or you can watch the video. After the video, you can then go and clean. So oh yeah, you can bring your mop, your brooms, everything, every cleaning product in your house, bring them out, because we are going to be doing it today. So if you are new to this channel, hello there, my name is Jessica, obviously, as you can see from my channel name. So my name is Jessica, and I'm a mom of 3 kids. Why am I doing my hand like this? I'm a mom of 3 kids, and I'm currently pregnant. Why am I so excited today? Because as if I won lottery. Anyways guys, so you are highly welcome to my channel. Please do not forget, it's very important now, very important. Don't leave this channel without clicking on that subscribe button. Very important to me and to you as well, because you will benefit from this channel. And after watching this video, be sure to give me a very huge thumbs up, because I'm doing this with all of my strength. I don't have much strength, but I need to clean this kitchen. And to my old goodies, my wonderful, amazing, sweet subscribers, you guys are much appreciated. Of course, you know you are my #1. In fact, you are the MVP. That's the simple word. So thank you so much. And without me talking too much, you know I like to talk. Without talking too much, let's jump right into this video. Oh yeah, follow me. I'm so excited, guys.
Hey. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is to unpack the dishes, the ones I already washed, like put them where they are supposed to be, and then I'll start washing the ones that are dirty in the sink. So before I start washing the pot, I went to my gas cooker to spread some of my mixture on the gas cooker so that it will help to break down all the hard stains on the gas cooker. So as I wanted to do that, I noticed that the mixture is already finished, like it's almost gone. So I'm going to do another one. Here is my white vinegar and my dish liquid soap. So I'm going to be pouring those two in that bottle. That is my mixing bottle. I always use that bottle. It's a sauce bottle, like a chili sauce bottle that I'm reusing. So I just poured some of that white vinegar and I'm pouring in the dish liquid soap. Just use your eyes to eyeball it, no measurement needed here if you ask me, and then you fill it up with water. There you go, you have your kitchen counter cleaner. This is what I've been using for a very long time, and guys, it works for me. So I'm just showing you because some people were asking me to make a video. Actually, it's just one person that commented asking me how did I make the mixture. So I guess you've learned how I did it now. It's just a white vinegar, dish liquid soap and some water, and you have your kitchen countertop cleaner, or you can use it on any other surface in your house. It is very safe, especially when you have kids, so it's not going to be harmful on them. So I spread it on the gas cooker. As you can see, it's really dirty and very dry. I was cooking something there some days ago. The thing poured over, like it boiled over and poured on the gas cooker. I left it. I did not clean it. That was one mistake I made. I didn't clean it, and now the thing has dried up and it's a bit difficult for me to scrub. I'm going to show you how hard I was scrubbing it to like get it off, but I later did and I'm happy, but I will not try such again. So please take note, do not try it. Anyways, let's wait till that part. Here we go. So it's now time to scrub it really hard with all my strength. Like, this thing took me probably like 10 minutes to scrub. I'm not sure if it is up to 10 minutes though, but it took me some time. Like, my arms were really hurting, my waist was hurting when I was doing this. So please guys, do not make this type of mistake. Whenever you are cooking and you see, as soon as you see that something boiled over and pour on your gas, as soon as you are done cooking, make sure you clean it right away. If not, you will have to suffer what I suffered today. But I thank God I later got it done, which I'm going to be showing you. As you can see here now, it's almost gone. So I'm just spraying in some of that mixture again to kind of scrub it more, to make it look a bit more shinier than how it was before. And voila! You can see that. It looks so nice now, right? But trust me, it really took me some time to get rid of that hard stain. So after sweeping the floor with my vacuum, it's now time to mop the floor. That's going to be our last step. So I'm just adding in my Fabuloso. You guys already know this is my favorite floor cleaner. I always use it in all my cleaning videos. If you've been following me for a long time or even for a while now, you will notice that this has been my all-time favorite floor cleaner. I love the smell. I love this product so much, guys. If you haven't tried it before, you might want to go try it out and see if you will like it just the way I do. Okay guys, I'm done cleaning. As you can see, my kitchen looks so much better now. I feel so good. I feel so good, guys. It looks so much better. I did not touch here because, like, seriously, I'm tired already, so I didn't touch. This is the only place I did not touch. And then
I finally got rid of that stain here. It was very hard, guys. I will advise anytime you are cooking and something pours on the gas cooker, clean it immediately. If not, you will have to suffer what I suffered today. As you can see, I really took my time to scrub it, so it looks so nice now. And then I'm going to pack these ones once they are dry. I will not lie, guys, I am super duper tired right now. Like, I am so tired. I'm supposed to cook this evening for our dinner, but I don't know, but I still need to cook, because if not, we are not going to eat dinner tonight. So but I'm happy. Like, I'm happy I got this kitchen cleaned up today. I am so fulfilled now. Like, whenever I get something done, it makes me so happy and so fulfilled. So I'm happy that I, cleaned this kitchen today. No regrets, but I'm so tired. My waist aches so much. Like, I need to stretch out a bit before I start making dinner. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all the love and support you guys have been giving me or showing me on this channel. I want to announce to you guys that we made it to monetization. Like, who am I? The day I saw the congratulatory letter from YouTube, I was laughing and crying at the same time. Like, I was like, this channel that I started not up to 5 months ago, they already monetized me. What is it? What is that thing that I'm doing? How many videos do I even have here? Yet I was monetized. So if not for you guys, it wouldn't have happened. So I'm really appreciative. I'm so thankful for the kind of people I have on this platform. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. So yes, I'm going to go now to make dinner. I will rest a bit first before making dinner. I will catch you guys in my next video. Stay focused, stay blessed, and I love you all so much. Bye guys.